Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today we're going to be transforming this junk room, spare room, unused room, ugly room into a home gym. This is like the junk room. Everything is just thrown in here. I don't even know where to begin. So like everything's just gonna be going, and even the light is gonna be going, curtains are gonna be going, TV can stay, new color on the walls. Like it's just gonna be a different room when I'm finished. Okay, so where do I start? I mean, like really, like all that had to be done with this space was just it needed to be cleared out and cleaned and just reorganized. But I wanted to turn this room that I'm in currently was the workout room, gym, whatever you want to call it, and then downstairs was like a toy room, like just storage room. Like everything was in that room. So I wanted to do a flip. I wanted to make up like here like a kind of office studio space, but also like a place we can go and just like, you know, work, you know, if you know what I mean. And then downstairs, then, you know, because it's level, it's underground, it probably makes more sense to have that as a gym, because like there's like weights and all this like heavy equipment. And I just thought, like, you know, make more sense, you know. So we swapped the rooms around, and then I just cleared everything out, like everything. Then once everything was cleared out and cleaned, I started painting. Well, actually, I had help from Dean. He helped me paint the white part, and that was, once like it was painted, like it just felt like so much more clean, and like, you know, it was just like, oh, it was like such a relief. It's like a weight lifted off me. And now like this room is probably the darkest room of the house because like of its location. Like it doesn't really get much sunlight, so that's why I chose white, just because like, you know, any bit of sun that did come in would reflect off and just kind of make it at least feel a bit brighter. Okay, but enough of me talking about it. Let's just go and have a look at the final result. okay, let's go. Okay, come and have a look. Okay guys, and this is the finished result. As you can see, like it's a big difference how it was before. Because like it's all painted here, it's all painted there, all the equipment's in. I mean, honestly, I don't really know what to say because like it's it's a workout room. So we've got a treadmill here. I actually use this like all the time. Well, it's not plugged in, but like I do use it. Well, like I mean, when it's not raining, when it's raining outside, I might use it because I normally go to the beach and run. But yeah, it's a good old yoke. This is like really old, this treadmill actually. It's been around for a while. Then we have a bench here. It's called Body Max. So you can do like you can do like benches and like squats, and like, you know, get some muscle gains. And then we have these like kind of this mat here just for shock absorption. And yeah, they're great. I mean, it would be good to have them, like, you know, like more of them, but like also I think they're like nice just for this area over here. And then there's this thing. This is actually like, you know, is a few years old now. This is, oh my god, This is for like, you know, your chest muscles. So oh my god, what? Did you maze with the weight on this again? I put a mirror up over here, you know, so like when you're here, it's like straight across from you. So you can see yourself doing like your squats and everything. And then we have a TV up here. We got one of them Fire Sticks, so you can be watching like Netflix or YouTube and stuff whilst you're doing your workouts. And then we have like the speaker over here, just because like it's, you know, central and everything. And then we also put up a whiteboard just so you can write down like your workouts and everything. I got this like a flush light because, you know, if you're here and you're using your bar and stuff, you need like something that's you're not gonna like hit. So we got this one off lights.ie. It's actually like a smart one. I didn't even realize when I ordered it. So you can make it brighter and you can make it dimmer, and you can set like the temperature of it as well, so you can make it a bit warmer. I prefer the cooler tone because it makes the white look white and like the black look black instead of having like the yellow like undertone and everything. And yeah, that is the gym. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to let me know all your thoughts down below. What did you think of this space? What did you think of the black? Like, let me know all your thoughts. I love hearing them. And what would you have done differently? And before you go guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.